Yo, what's up, everybody? It's been a minute, but real quick, I want to say I'm going to start doing a video every Friday. I'll be doing a breakdown of the week, um, plus what I will be looking at possibly for the week coming up, because I'll be posting this video Friday night. So it'll kind of like be Friday night, Saturday morning type of thing, but it'll allow me to have more time to do other things that I need to do and still give some type of free information that could be valuable to others. Um, so this video, I really want to just talk about FTMO and how I failed my second attempt and I'm on my third attempt now. Like I said, if I fail, I'm going to try again, because putting $180 towards using a $10,000 demo account to potentially run that $10,000 demo account is better to me, common sense wise, than putting $185 into a live account, hoping and wishing that you get it to $10,000, or even just so the longevity and time that it's going to take, and the patience and the amount of control and discipline that you're going to have to nurture and grow that $185. So, like I said, I failed and I signed up again. But what I like about it is it teaches you how you're trading. It shows you where you need to improve and what you need to do better. So let's go into it right now. This is my FTMO client area. You can see I had one here. This one here, I actually completely just like lost in full. Like, I think what happened, I lost $1,000. I lost $1,000 in a day, which it was done for. And I pretty much stopped trading on it, or I just stopped caring about it. This was the second one that I was doing. And let's look at this one real quick. Here, open it up, because it's gonna show you each trade that you were taking on the days. It really gets detailed, and this is what helps you grow as a trader. And this is why it's so important to study. So off top, looking right here, it says minimum trading days has not been met yet. 9 trading days. Maximum daily loss, 500 is $500. I had a maximum daily loss of $501.19. Max loss on the account is $1,000. I've lost 700, as you can see, $796.87. I'm sorry. So I haven't necessarily lost this whole account in total. With it only being $1 and with it being this small, and me completing it, they probably will honestly let me keep this account. But I went ahead and made another one just in case. I still have, I think, until next week on this account. But the thing about it is my new account doesn't start until I start trading it. So I can finish trading with this one. And if I pass or fail, I pass or fail. And then I have a whole fresh one just sitting on standby that hasn't even started ticking in time yet, because it doesn't start until your very first trade. All right. Now let's scroll down some more and let's see where I was going wrong. Okay. We're going to start from the very beginning. April 20th is when I took my first trade. I had 8 trades that day. Off top, there's too many trades. Because what was either happening was I was fighting for my bias to be correct, or I was right and I broke even, and I didn't want that, and I wanted to get money being greedy, and then I'm fighting, constantly fighting. The next day was 5 trades, and you see the profit was only $30 more on these 5 trades. And had I not taken 8 trades, I probably wouldn't have been negative $128. You see, the less trades you take, more likely the better trades that you are taking. As we scroll up some more, we see like the number of trades just increased. Like, my anxiety to be in the market on these days was just ridiculous. This could have been due to me being in a signal group and just having so many different voices at one time. And you constantly looking at the market. When you're looking at the market and on your phone and on your laptop, you're gonna want to be in the market, as if you're watching a game of sport, or if you're watching people play a video game or anything. You're gonna want to be involved because you're watching it and you're like, I want to get in on this. So trades are just massive numbers, 14 trades. Now, if I was scalping and I was actually being profitable, this would make a lot of sense. But I'm not. I'm literally fighting day after day for profit. And that's not what's up. This day was negative. This was the biggest negative day, which was in correlation with this right here. And I couldn't even tell you what happened that day. Once again, another fighting day. As you can see, 14 trades, too many trades. This one was, at this point, I had looked at my FTMO account, knew that I had lost, and I kind of just let my mindset slip, and I didn't care about anything at that point. But I do like the fact that I only took 3 trades on these days. My bias had changed when I should not have changed my bias. And that's what went wrong on these days. It was just like, okay, I've been getting beat up, so now it's whatever. Now I'm just in the ring taking punches. You see, that's why you want to have a strategic plan when you come to the market. That's why you want to be strategic, period. You want to be dynamic, and you want to sit on your hands. I know that's a lot in one sentence, but I want this video to be a quick summary. And if you need to, rewatch it, because this is going to help you with the FTMO challenge. This is going to help you pass the FTMO challenge. It's going to make you be a better trader. Like I said, I still actually can trade on this account. I haven't necessarily failed the max loss. I still have $114 or $13 if you want to round up to go. $110, whatever, you know. I could keep going, but we'll see what I do. I may not. It just depends. This is a new month. Real quick, let me see. So I haven't looked at my chart since last week sometime. I've been moving a lot of stuff into my apartment. I've been moving a lot of stuff into my sister's apartment. I've just been doing a lot of stuff. And I haven't had time. But that's okay, because the market isn't going anywhere. It's a forever thing. So right here, this is NZD. I was looking at this one as a potential setup for it to hit this line right here. As we can see, it did today. Yeah, today at 2 a.m. Markets opened yesterday at 3 because it ended on the 1st. Markets opened on the 3rd, hung out down here, and it hit this little area that I had maxed out because of this right here being a supply area. Tapped it, held true, and fell. You know, and that's just something that I was missed out on. But what's more important is that you were correct. You know, that's what's more important. Could have had 30 pips, or you could still be letting it ride with it and take profit. You know, which is totally cool. I don't know if I'm really gonna have enough time to delete everything and like give an example of everything. So I may just do another video just because GBP USD look bullish. Like, I'm gonna leave that right there, because if this breaks this zone, I would be expecting this to be bullish. You don't have to always necessarily go redo your markups, whether it's a new month or a new week. If it's still playing in the structure, it's playing. Like on the 4 hours, it's still playing in this structure. It hasn't broken this support right here, and it's still playing in the zone. So I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm gonna delete all of this because none of this makes sense to me. Off first glance, I can see that there was resistance right here. The rest of this stuff though, kind of not really worried about it as of right now. I think all these other lines are daily lines or something like that. I don't know what I'm deleting really. It will need to break through this resistance for me to say it is a definite buy. Definitely have a low. This is a possible higher low. If it breaks this, then you know it's definitely giving us a higher high. On to the next. See, like GJ. This was the one I was rocking with last week when I was fighting in all those different trades. So if I'm correct, let me see. This is what I had an idea of, And of course, it's like, oh yeah, we had this idea, but the market's already moved, but whatever. So price was stagnant up here at all these wicks at the, you can call it the median of these wicks right here. So that's why you draw this horizontal line, and you always draw your lines to the future. You come back down to the 4 hour. So this was supply. So this was supply, meaning that when it came to this line, you will be looking for a sell. And when it came to this line, what happened? Wick and immediate sell. You saw this on the 4 hour right here. If you saw this, you come down to the 1 hour, and then let me highlight it so that way we don't get lost. So you don't have a sell limit set or anything like this. You see this wick right here. You come down to your 1 hour to see what's going on. You had price stalling out right here. You could, as an aggressive move would be to tap these wicks right here at the median, and price would have to close above them for it to be continuing bullish. If price did not close above these, then you could be looking for a sell. So that's an aggressive setup by playing it off the wicks. Have you not played aggressively, what you'd be looking for is a break right here, where it formed this low, price broke underneath it. You can enter after this candle or at this candle here. So really at the close of this candle is where I would enter had I been looking for the break of this low. I'd be looking to enter right after this candle, meaning I'd be entering on this candle right there. And then we just ride it out to right here. So, but that didn't happen because, like I said, I was fighting for trades. Mindset got blown, and I had to step away, and honestly got forced away, which is sometimes a good thing. You know, even if you want to be in the market, sometimes it's best for you not to be in the market. But I'm gonna delete all of this stuff and just come back to it fresh later tonight. So I hope this video was a little bit insightful for you all. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Like I said, we will be doing this every Friday, going over FTMO updates, going over little details that I could possibly give to make anybody better in their trading. If anybody has any questions, definitely feel free to leave the questions in the comment section or in my DMs on Instagram at Eddie Capital, EDDIE CAPITAL. And I'll respond to everybody and anybody, man. So have a great day. Stay safe out here and see you on Friday.